Hello everyone, this is Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today with me this brand new Anderic RR2631A replacement remote control for a Samsung soundbar system. Now this is a 100% direct replacement like the original soundbar remote control from Samsung. We offer a 1-year replacement warranty and a no questions asked guaranteed return policy right here from ReplacementRemotes.com. If you have a question or would like to purchase this remote control over the phone, give us a call toll free at 1-855-553-6683 and our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or as always, log on to our secured and trusted website by clicking the link below this video I provided, hit the green add to cart button, and we'll ship you this brand new remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.